Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi Dairo. Happy New Year to you all. I'm happy to see you again this year. I think last year we were here together, chatting, coming online, doing one or two things together. But it's still by God's grace and privilege that make us to witness year 2022. I pray for the eye and ear listening to me and the eye watching me. This year is our year of fulfillment in Jesus' name. Those things we have struggled for last year, 2021, this year we will be achieving them in the name of Jesus. I wish you more success, long life, and prosperity in the mighty name of Jesus. So, Happy New Year to you all. And I want to appreciate you guys, my subscribers. Who am I? Sheyi Dairo. Without you, who knows me? Nobody. You are the one, you watching me, being my subscriber, you are the one that made me to be able to be doing what I'm doing here today. So I really appreciate you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel, giving me like, comments, and for the support, because there are some people, they will even come to my DM and really just appreciation. They will just tell me that they are messaging me just to appreciate, because some people they can't hold it again, they can't hide that the feeling. Some will even call me, guy, you will be pacing, so all those things and everything that giving me motivation to be doing all this. And like, I just want to thank you all. God will bless you. I really appreciate you all for making things going well for me, as if for the progress. This morning I checked my subscriber. I still look back when I started this channel. I started with 0 subscriber, with nothing, and up to date, you guys have been proving it right for me that Sheyi Dairo, you can be among the top YouTuber in the country. So I like you all. I really appreciate you guys. I love you. Not even like, I appreciate you guys. So today now I want to talk about solution to people that are having problem with their account getting banned, like your Facebook, Instagram account getting banned, disabled, or blog. This really is frustrating, right? If you are the type, or if you ever witness this kind of condition, you will know that no be small thing, no be joke. When you are struggling to do one or two things online, to run adverts, and they block that account or disable that account, and you will still try to create another account, at least use this thing, advert. We are running advert to do online promotion, if not to sell something, at least we are using it to promote certain service. But when someone is blocking that account, disabling that account, hey, I pity people passing through this condition. You know why? I have passed through it, and I want to use my experience, how I was able to go out of this. I want to use it to help some of you watching this video out. Like, I'm saying, it's the solution. I've seen the solution to this. It's just to help you guys out. But I really feel for you, because let me tell you one thing about myself. How many years back? 2020, I faced this same problem. And I will just brief this thing. I was using Facebook advertisements to promote my things online. I'm doing many things online, and like, I really rely on Facebook advertisements. I've been doing this thing now. I've been making I made a lot of money, which I won't mention here. I made a lot of money. But when this problem started, the accounts, I think they first blocked the account or disable whatever. I wrote appeal, and they enabled the account back for me after 3 days or such. Like a week after, they still blocked the account again. I still wrote appeal, they still leave the account, and the last time they blocked the account, and that was how the mystery started. It was a bitter experience. So that's why I said, for some of you passing through this situation, I really made this video for you. I really dedicated this video for you, because I know now let me continue with my own. I will summarize it up now and tell you what to do, right? But I need to tell you so as to know that I really know what you are, I know how you are feeling. From my account, with the kind of amount I have in my account, when this problem started, I think it's a joke. I was writing appeals, everything, beg. I waited till a month, nothing happened. Don't forget, I depend on this to promote my things online. I have many things to sell. like many of you know, I'm into e-commerce now. I have things I want to sell. I depend on this to sell my things online and many things like that. Then, but when this thing started, I was watching every morning. I'll be looking at those things. These are goods I want to promote online. I have many people that want to buy this, but Facebook now be like obstacle. Now what will I do? I waited till a month after, nothing happened. And now what? I have to create another account. The moment I create another account like this, start with everything like that, before I open, I can't even recollect. Just immediately they block the account again. They block the account. They don't block or disable. I don't want even to remember the time again. They okay, no problem. I still create another one. The same thing happened. Like play. It took me 5 months, 6 months. like play. My money now, I've been spending those money. You know, no income again, no income. Though the only thing I know that every day I'm spending, and this happened to me till I spent reach 100,000 in my account. When the day I saw 100,000 in my account, I was down. 100,000 accounts, like play, 60,000 in my accounts. Where is the hope of getting more money? So, if you are the type having this kind of problem, or you are passing through this, I really know the pain what you are passing through. And when you have been having money before, you have been tired that I've been giving, even dash out a lot of money, dash out 10,000, dash out 5,000. When money coming, when money flows, and you too also, you understand. But a situation whereby the only thing you are seeing every day is just expenses, out, just because you have problem with Facebook accounts or Instagram account, or let me say Facebook, let's use Facebook in general, because the same person that owns Facebook owns Instagram, right? Just because of this problem, I was turned to zero, someone that have nothing again, nothing. I'm still repeating, nothing in my account again. I started spending till I spent everything in my account. God will help us. I later got the solution, but it's really pained that why I have this kind of solution. I wouldn't have waited for long till now before I will not be doing this kind of thing. But who will tell me? That's why I said you need to watch this video. Get at least, I'm not telling you that the only solution is for me, but at least practically from my own experience, you go and practice what helped me. And this too also, I pray it should work for you. Right? Before we go further on this, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button and you will see one bell beside the subscribe button. Please click on it and select all, so that you'll be notified anytime I'm dropping valuable videos just like this. You'll be notified on your phone instantly. Then you will be able to make use of the opportunity. That is one. Please give me a like on this video. Then give me comments. At least let's know your minds. I used to be happy if I see comments on my video, right? So give me comments. Let me know what you feel about this video. Then share this video, please. Share this video. These are things that you can do at least to help my channel grow. So share this video to your social media or whatever, to your friends. Like, if you don't have money to dash me, at least if you share this thing and you have you have taken part to the progress or growth of my channel. All right. So let's go back to the business of the day. What you have to do if you are the type having this kind of situation. This is year 2022. Maybe 2021, many things have happened, but this year now, I think we must be serious. We must know what we are doing. So what you will do first thing is, if your account is banned or blocked or disabled, do not create another account or whatever, because then I was even saying, okay, maybe I need to buy another phone, another laptop entirely, so that I can start. But I'm still using the same phone, the same laptop, which I thought it was the end. Like, I can't use Facebook as on the same phone again. Yes, I thought I can't use Facebook as account. I can't run account on this same phone again, and I can't run the account on my laptop again. Like I don't think my IP have been blacklisted. I just concluded that my IP was blacklisted. What made me to get the solution was, there was time when I had problem on FIVERR. My account of FIVERR, I had problem like that. And anytime I create account for Fiverr, they will just block that account. They will block that account. They will block that account. I have struggled till one day I met a guy, and that guy just looked at me. I said, I think I need to still buy another phone and laptop, because it's like this my IP. This Fiverr, they have blacklisted it. Anytime I create an account on this Fiverr now, they will just disable it. And that guy, man, small ball. The guy just say, bros, I can make a new account for you using the same phone. You will use this account, this Fiverr account on your phone. You will use this Fiverr account on your laptop, and they will never block it. If they block it, just come to me and I will give you double of the money you pay me. I say, guy, I just do the boy. This one a small boy now. Guy, I said, you know thing I don't do for this thing. I don't. The boy say, bros, I know, but now me they tell you this. Okay, okay, no one now. How much will you collect for this? The boy say, bros, thank you. Even 9,900, I will go collect from you. And I see the kind of confidence that guy have. I say, thank you. I begged this boy. The boy refused. Okay, no one. I said, can you do this for me now? The boy say, no one. I just do transfer, give that guy 10,000 now. I give transfer and give the guy. The guy just starts. The guy did some things. I was watching everything. The guy told me one secret. I did everything, and honestly, the account, they no banner. The account was not banned, was not disabled. The account just on that same phone. I didn't even use laptop. I was waiting. I thought I would be doing something. I said, maybe they don't block this account. I'll still go back to check. Account still dey there. So this makes me to know that never say it is over. Never. Even any situation you are passing through, forget about what you are talking. I think we are talking of business. Never say never. Never say it is there's no solution again. There are many solutions. Only pray for God to open your eyes. Information is power. Information is money. Who tell you that you can't become billionaire? Who tell you that you can't become millionaire just within hours? It is possible. It only takes the grace of God, mercy, just to direct your path to the right information. God will help us. Like I'm preaching. All right. So let's go back to the business of the day. Information I will need for you. Your account has been getting banned, Facebook, Instagram. You are confused. Yeah, those many things you have spent. There was time I was paying some people to sell accounts for me. Some guys, I don't know, they used to create account, Facebook account. I used to pay them like 2,000, 3,000 that give me account, and yet they blocked it. I don't know why I'm saying this. I know you want solution very fast, but like I think they talk. I need to tell you now. Solution is very simple. But I'm telling you what I've passed through on this, so that you will know that maybe you are also passing through the same thing. You will see that yes, this guy really passed through this thing. So I bought accounts several times. The moment I bring that account to my phone, I open it on my phone or my laptop. I will say, okay, I want to edit one or two information on the profile, trying to edit those information on the profile, just editing. Like I want to manage to edit name or things like that, and that will be all. The next thing I will say that they will block that account again. Now, here the solution. Solution is very simple. I met one girl like that, one area girl or something like that, and I begged this girl just to use her account. I know this girl was not into online promotion of the thing. You know all those people. Then many people are on Facebook. The only thing is just to go and snap and display the picture and we're here. And I know what I need Facebook for is more than just to be snapping or be checking people's picture or videos. And I beg this person, this is what I need your account for. I'm not taking this account from you. You can be using your account. All I need is just, I want to use I told this person that Facebook, we have different accounts on Facebook. That your own account you have is your own personal Facebook account. Inside that Facebook account, there is something we call Facebook as account. You don't know it, you are not using it because you don't need it. That is what I need on your account. Facebook as account. All this theory I'm saying, this person they not even understand it, but this person is the kind of person that trusts me that I can't understand. So this really helped me, and I paid this person some small amount of money. So this person gave me the login details. I logged in, but I did not change single thing in the person's profile. I did not. Even this guy used to open the account on our own phone. She used to open the account on our phone. I opened this on my desktop, on my laptop. I opened the same account with my phone. Facebook never disturbed me on that, and I have repeated this to 3 different people. So I'm using those accounts. The one I'm using for online promotion for myself is there. The one I'm using to train people online, like I have an account like that. I use them to train people online. Is there? All these accounts, Facebook never block it. They never disturb me with this, and I'm enjoying this account. So solution is what I've given you. Go and look for someone around, someone that can give, if possible, if they can just give you the accounts, or maybe they will sell the accounts for you. But do not edit anything. Don't change name, don't edit, and don't let it be like that as the owner put it there since the day they created the account or whatever, or before the account get to you. Don't change anything, just log in, then create your Facebook ads account as usual. I know you know about this, and if you don't know about this, I have training on that. You can check the description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. Then we'll talk about that. I'll train you on digital marketing, right? So please and please, don't fold hands. Don't fold your hand like I've tried many things, it doesn't work, because we still need these things. Some of us, we depend on this. We are not working for anybody, we are not collecting salary. This is where we get our income. So please keep trying. This one I'm giving you, go and try it. Look for area sister, look for your brothers, your sister, someone you know that are confined in you, whatever, or they will sell the account for you. But do not tamper or do any edit. Don't edit anything there. Let it be like that. Then be using the account like that. The only thing you need, don't forget, at least that's the ads account. The ads account of that profile, whatever, is what you need. So if that person even refuses to give you, just tell this person to just at least to have access. I'm telling you, I've done it first time, second time, third time. To date, I don't get problem. So please, you know why I'm begging you. I know why I talk too much. I know the implication of this when I was not running about, or when I had a problem with Facebook. My life, I think I observed the progression. But thank God for today. I bless the name of God for today. I'm still a hustler. I don't have money yet. I'm not getting there yet where I'm going to. I still have some people I'm looking towards to, at least to be like them, or no, I can't be like them, but at least to get to certain level. I have certain level I'm also pushing to get to, or go and get beyond. So I thank God for today. But that experience is a bitter experience. I never pray for, even for my enemy to pass through it. Please do something. This is year 2022. I love you guys. Please, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like, comment, share my video. And one more information before I run this video up. I want to start giveaway for this year. Any moment, if possible, after this video, the next video, I'll start giveaway. It could be any amount of money. I've never concluded yet. It could be 20, 40, 50,000. I have never decided on these things, but at least I want people to be benefiting from my channel. At least people will say, the kind of thing, at least since I've been following this guy on YouTube, at least I benefit this, I benefit that, I benefit that. So I want to bring monetary thing into this, at least give away in my YouTube channel. So watch out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget and share it. Comment. Let me know what you feel about this video. I love you. Bye.